Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our copy access user application, you can copy access from the user access template or from the users and assign copied access to multiple users on a single click. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, the copy user access. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, users. See here two user created, but I want to create new like John Doe. Set email, save, and another is Thomas. And save. Go to users and mark demo. See here mark demo include all features and John Doe is not available all. Same Thomas, but I want to apply all access Thomas and John Doe. So click on this copy other user access. Here available two options, other user and user access template, and select it here mark demo, but I want to apply multiple users. So click here, go to actions and see here these options, copy other user access, click on and now add mark demo. Click on this copy access button. So see here all features is available. Thomas in same display here. Thank you.